What's up YouTube? As you can tell by the title, just made this quick video show you guys how to resolve your trunk issues with your G35. In this application we have a 2003 G35 coupe. This video will cover how to get your trunk light working right here. When you open up your trunk, this light should illuminate your trunk, as well as your trunk release. When you hit your fob or on your interior trunk release, it should work releasing your trunk. As well as your spoiler light right here. Spoiler light's not working. It's all covered pretty much in the same wiring issues over here. So your problem is going to be right here in this wiring harness right here that goes into the actual trunk. You will not need to remove your trim piece or your trunk lid, but I just went ahead so I could inspect. And then I also found this connector right here with nothing on it. I'm not sure what that's for, so when you guys know about what this is, let me know, because I have no idea. But what I do know is that when those functions stop working, could be one or the other, it's gonna be for the reason that when this trunk is constantly opened and closed over time, the way this thing is designed, these trunk wires tend to just break over time from the stress from opening and closing. So what you want to do is just cut a slit in this rubber right here, and then you'll be able to expose all your wires. Find the ones that are broken, simply match them to their own color and just tape them up, fix them however you want, solder them however. If it works, it works. So yeah, mainly you're gonna find the brakes right along here, or maybe even in here. So it's worth popping this off and checking. So yeah, for your trunk light in this case, it's this red wire right here. It's just gonna be a red wire, and if it's broken, it's gonna be another red wire here. So you just gotta fix it, put the red wire back to itself. In this case, I have a different color wire. This is just a wire that I got, that I had laying around, that I used it as an extension to give more room, give it more length to this wire so it wouldn't break again, and make it easier to wire it back together, as well as all the other ones. You can see I have this is the original one right here. This is pink and green. I'm gonna have it to this black one right here, as well as all the other ones. So yeah, basically all you gotta do is just go in here, find your broken wires, repair them, and then everything should start working again. You might be able to check in here as well, just in case you don't find any problems right here. There might be broken wires here as well. The brake might be over here, it could be anywhere. So yeah, and then for your spoiler light, if you notice, it's gonna be right there. So you check right back here, and then you'll see that you will have right in here, you'll be able to see that the wire is a red and black wire. It's hard to tell, but you can barely faintly see it right there. Nonetheless, that wire runs right through here. You can see it right there. It's a red and black one. I'm not sure how this one's supposed to go from the factory. I'm pretty sure it should be through here as well, but when I got the car, it was just ran like this, so I just went with it. It's through here, and then it's not through there, so I just went with it like that. So I'm just gonna have this like this, and then this wire could be sticking out right here. No big deal. I guess they poked the hole there and ran it through there for some reason, so they couldn't put it back into. I don't know what happened, but yeah, for that one, you just gotta go check under this, and then you'll find that your wires are right back over there. In this case, I have this wire right here for the trunk spoiler light. It's just ran over here. Just make sure that it's plugged in. I'm not sure if this is a factory application or where this is supposed to properly go, but in this case I just found the bare wires just like this, and I went ahead and plugged this one in right here. Used a wire tapper right here, crimped it up, plugged it into the tapper. It's going to this green and pink wire right here. There's two of them, but if you notice, it's the one all the way on the top, just from this thing. This grommet, the wire is going in. It's the one all the way on the top. On the other side, it's a blue and red wire. so you know it's the one on this end. That will power it on when your tail lights are on. I'll go ahead and show you guys that working right now. Gonna head over to the front, turn on our tail, well, technically our headlights, but that will also turn on your tail lights. As you can see, tail lights are now on. So yeah, now all you gotta do is ground it. The reason I don't have it fully wired up yet and grounded is because, as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and ground that wire. You'll be able to see that the lights are working now as soon as it's grounded, but as you can tell, not all the LEDs are working properly, so I'm not having it hooked up yet because all the LEDs are supposed to be on and some of them are missing. So yeah, all you have to do is just find the spot to ground it anywhere you want. I think I'm gonna ground mine right to that stud right there, or bolt. I'm just gonna unscrew that and stick it under there. So you can see that's where I'm touching it to, which makes the lights turn on because it completes the circuit. But yeah, I hope this video helps. If you guys are having these issues, it's a common issue with those wires breaking, and then for, you know, you could have your trunk lights not working. I hope I could help you figure that out, and I hope you find this useful. But yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day.